Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to unlock Samsung Galaxy A32 without password. The method is really simple. All you have to do is boot your phone into recovery mode and then wipe data factory reset your phone. So if you have forgotten your PIN or pattern unlock, then you need to watch this video. The method is simple. You need to understand these buttons: volume, power button, volume down, and volume up. Now to restart your phone now without PIN code you cannot power up your phone. As you can see, it asks for PIN lock. So to reboot your phone, you need power button and volume down. You need to press these buttons together to restart your phone. And now to boot your phone into recovery mode, you need power button and volume up button. Okay, so as soon as your phone reboots and the screen turns black like this, then you need to release the volume down button and hold the volume up button. Now let's do it. Hold volume and volume down and power. Now screen, now release the now your phone is in recovery mode. As you can see, now you will be using volume down and up to navigate between the options and power button to select the option. Now select factory data reset. Now your phone is hard reset. Now reboot your phone again using power button. Now on the first boot after the hard reset, it will take a few minutes so please give it some time. So now your phone is on the welcome screen. You can go and set up your phone. Now if your phone was FRP locked, then it will ask for Google account that was previously used on the device. If you already have the login details, then you can go and enter your Google account that was previously used on this device. Otherwise it will ask for Google account. So if you don't know how to do it, I have made another video on how to bypass Google account on the Samsung Galaxy A32 running Android 12 version. The link will be given in the description, so please watch it.